This is the CoCo 80X. It's a signal analyzer that can be much more. It's a rethinking of what a portable signal analyzer should be. Unlike traditional signal analyzers with complicated menus and clumsy controls, the CoCo 80X's large LCD and touchscreen interface make it easy to use the analyzer and acquire data. Dedicated function hotkeys provide convenient controls for use in the field. The CoCo 80X is equipped with 8 software-enabled input channels. A dedicated tachometer input and signal output are also provided. Retrieving data has never been easier. Data can be transferred directly from the SD card or can be transferred via an Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or USB connection. The CoCo 80X boasts an impressive 150 dB dynamic range. Due to its high dynamic range, there's no need to adjust the input gain settings. Each input channel accepts a voltage range of plus or minus 20 volts, and the sample rate options range from 0.48 Hz to 102.4 kHz. A data acquisition system should be quick to acquire data, not restricted by sluggish hardware. The CoCo 80X's improved processor allows the analyzer to instantly respond to user inputs and acquire data. Combined with hard keys and touchscreen, the CoCo 80X provides an intuitive user interface that is easy to use.